Hello, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're having a glamorous day. Okay, I'm here to tell you a beautiful story about the ugly duckling. Well, this is the Suzy style story, and I want you to look at the pictures very clearly while you're listening to my voice. Do you think you can do that? Let's wait and watch. Once upon a time, an ugly duckling was born. He was not loved by his parents. As she grew up, she got even uglier. She had a small nose, mouth, and ears, slightly bent fifth fingers, a short, stocky built body, almond shaped eyes with skin fold covering inner corner, white spots on colored part of the eyes. She had a flat, round face. Everybody called him ugly. Everyone thought that he cannot do anything which the other normal ducklings would do. He couldn't study well. He couldn't get the best jobs. Well, the ugly duckling couldn't mingle with the people. He couldn't work with the other normal ducks. He couldn't play games or any sort of sport like the other normal ducks did. Nor she took part in any beauty pageant. All she ever wanted was to be loved, to be able to do the regular activities, just like any kid would, to be accepted by the people around the world. Why such a topic for such a sensitive situation? I just wanted to waken your conscience, to tap upon that emotions, because I have a message for you. Next time you see a person with Down syndrome at your workplace or the market, regardless of it being a baby or a grown up person, please don't look at them with sympathy, because they don't need your sympathy. They just need to be accepted as a part of this world, as a regular person. Let's treat everybody equally. And that's how the ugly duckling became a beautiful swan princess. And no, I'm not talking about the people with Down syndrome. I'm talking about the dark side which is within us, which provokes us to look at people differently. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Let's do it Zwi style. See you later with another episode.